Welcome to Headcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we have a very special guest named Shoppi Coin, and yeah, I can say already existing a business behind this Shoppi Coin. And you can see here a very high interest right now, interest rate over 880% in the last 24 hours. And yeah, this coin is not old and not very new, but it is from 18 January already listed on CoinMarketCap right now. And this token you can buy for sure on PancakeSwap. It is a Binance Smart Chain contract. Just copy paste that in your MetaMask and you can buy this token on PancakeSwap for sure. They have already a liquidity market cap from 185,000 and the last 24 hours trading volume is over 100,000 right now. So something is going on here, and what exactly Shoppi Pay is, we will look what exactly they offer us. Local payments without borders. The leading platform to connect local payments without borders. For sure they have a white paper here. Let's have a quick view into that. Here again, the contract address of this token. And the white paper. Clear, simple, and yes, if you want to read, guys, you can do that on the website on shoppi.finance. But I don't want to bore you with so much details right now, but they are not afraid to show the details, and this is important. It's not just a meme coin, it is a business behind Shoppi Pay. Shoppi is transforming the travel industry, making it easier than ever to shop in every city. This community of travelers saw the need for browsing new, exciting content while connecting with the local cultures of every city around the world. Their online marketplace enables shoppers and businesses to interact and purchase foreigner goods, regardless of cultural, language barriers, or geographic locations. Purchase of tickets and hotels. We will connect APIs from providers to buy flight tickets, insurances, book rentals, and hotel with the conversion of shop to fiat. Rewarding system inside the app. Reward your actions in fiat shop. Rewarding comes from taking action to suggest new companies join and cashback. And by the way, here you can download this application already on the App Store for your iPhone or for your Android on Google Play Store. Advertising for companies. Local listing of advertisements for your products and experiences with payments in virtual fiat from shop conversions. Subscription in fiat to access more benefits. Shoppi Pay is a free service with a premium subscription model that enable tremendous benefits for frequent buyers. Contactless and remote payments, invite friends, and earn credits. So for you guys who like referrals or have here some passive income, it's easy to invite some friends for this. I mean, it is a service without any fees, and you get paid if you pay. And this is nice. This is something should already exist. Download the welcome bonus, local shipping, cashback, and free gifts with every new purchase. So we consume every day and no one wants to pay. But Shoppi Pay do it for our consuming. Why not, guys? I mean, cashback is something we need also in the crypto industry, right? And they combine that. They combine fiat with crypto, and this is a nice feature. What I think. Grow your business with Shoppi Pay. Direct payments with our partner program. You can get paid directly by your customers. With Shoppi, you are always up to date where to deliver your goods. Efficient crowdfunding. Leverage on the community by presenting your brand. Get funded by the crowd and discover options to be assisted with your journey. For sure, fashion, hospitality, mobility, food and experience. And for sure here you can apply to the program if you want to use also Shoppi coin. And yes, one Shoppi coin is right now 0.001. We see that here on CoinMarketCap. And again, I want to mention that last 24 hours already near 900% up. So a 9x already done. So if you don't want to be at the end of the road and look back and see, oh God, why I didn't buy this token much earlier, now you have the chance to buy it. Because 100x for sure, it is possible. By the way, and it is 10 cents. So it is possible, guys. Just let me know what you think about this project. Let me know what you think about Shoppi coin, what you think. And maybe subscribe to this channel to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. And by the way, they have a Telegram group here with over 5,000 members, 94 right now online. And the best way to know more insights about the project is to ask the members. And this is what you can do on Shoppi coin Telegram group. Feel free, join them. If you have questions, just ask. And again, quick overview, fast transaction, earn shop tokens and safe and verified product. This Shoppi Finance. And yes, don't forget to buy this token as soon as possible before another 10x will happen. And it's easy to buy. You can buy this token on PancakeSwap. Just open your MetaMask, connect it to PancakeSwap and swap your BNB token into Shoppi coin. Guys, let me know what you think about this project. It will help a lot to go forward for them if you write down into the comments some sentences. What do you think? Are you already invested? Will you invest? And why? Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, guys. And see you later, alligator. Bye.